I am hereby declaring this month Frame Arms Month. So what's going on, guys? Not too long ago we had a lot of fun doing Char Month, where basically we just wanted to share everyone building some Char related mobile suits and things like that. I worked on Char's DJ, and a lot of other people built some cool Char kits, and we just had the Char clone bracket that I did as well. And it was just a lot of fun just having a kind of theme for the month that a lot of people could share using the Char Month hashtag. And so just something that a lot of people could join in. It's not for a contest or anything, it's just for everyone to kind of have a sort of theme among the community that we could all be a part of and we could all join in. And so that's what we're doing again this month with Frame Arms. So Frame Arms, I feel like, should get some more love. We all always do Gundam stuff and things like that, but there's a lot of really cool Frame Arms kits out there as well. Now, I've reviewed a handful of them over the past couple of years, but this month I've got a handful more that I'm going to review here for you guys, and then some different weapon sets and things like that I'm going to be reviewing. So there'll be a few Frame Arms reviews and things coming up. Then I'm also going to be working on painting and customizing a Frame Arms kit as well. And then we'll do another bracket this month as well. We'll do just like, I think it's going to be just the best Frame Arms design. So we'll put together a bunch of the different Frame Arms designs and put them into a bracket, and they'll be voting for that as well. Once again, here on my YouTube channel in the community tab is where we'll do the voting for that, but I'll be posting about it on my Facebook and Instagram pages as well. So yeah, it's basically just a way for everybody to just kind of join together and do some Frame Arms appreciation, I guess. So if you have a Frame Arms kit that's been in your backlog for a while, you've been meaning to put together, or if you've never tried any Frame Arms kits and you think, well, maybe now's about the time, a good chance for me to try one out, then pick one up and try it out and see what you think. And on that note, I should mention that at USA Gundam Store, they do have a good amount of different Frame Arms kits there, as well as the different MSG weapons, option parts, and things like that. So down below, as always, will be the link to USA Gundam Store, and they have just this section there, all the Frame Arms stuff you can check out, and you can, of course, save 10% off everything using my coupon code ZakuAurelius10. So whatever you end up building or sharing around on social media this month that has to do with Frame Arms, just use the hashtag Frame Arms Month, and that way people can check that and follow that and see what everyone's working on, all the different Frame Arms stuff, and get some cool ideas and inspiration, and just kind of get to know Frame Arms a little bit better, because I think there's a lot of really cool designs out there that maybe just doesn't get enough love amongst our Gunpla community, and I think we should just try some different stuff every so often. So yeah, let's try some Frame Arm stuff this month and just have some fun with it. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.